The Performance Analyzer allows you to compare two snapshots against each other and visualize the data. So, first we choose what campaigns we want to look at. Is it all campaigns, only search, video, etc.? We can also include experiments. Next, we want to say what campaigns should be included. So, if you have a large account and you're often using campaign labels for brand, non brand, then you could say, I just want to see this by campaign label. Next, we choose our comparison periods. Is it yesterday, last 7, or even a custom date range? Then what should that be compared to? Is it the previous period, same period last year, so year over year trending, or again customized? Then we could see all conversions versus conversion data in the analysis. Then when we compare, we'll see a snapshot of our data and the trend changes. So for instance, first we have search volume. Now, search volume, based upon your impression share, goes into your impressions. And then your impressions often change based upon your impression share, which is influenced by your lost impression share budget and rank, which then, of course, is affected by budget, quality score bids, etc. So you can trace the root causes of items. Now, we have our impressions, which flows down into clicks, which, of course, is dependent on your click through rate. Now, usually, if something's in green, it's a positive change. If it's in orange, it's a negative change. So you can have a plus percentage, which is actually negative, because if cost goes up, it's often a negative association. Then we can see how clicks flows down into conversions. Now, if we click on these bullet point icons, we'll see a list of all the campaigns in the comparison period. Then we could sort by absolute change or percentage changes to see which campaigns had the largest effect on that piece of data. Then we could get into our asset groups or our ad group breakdowns to see which ad group is responsible for the largest changes. So by using this tool, you can easily isolate what is the root cause of a problem so you know where to go investigate. If you want to share this information, you can download it as a PDF. Now, if you're in the performance overview and you're looking through various charts and seeing what is going on in the account and what does that trend look like, if you stop at a point and click on it, then you can also jump right to the Performance Analyzer to do a comparison of that period based upon the data you're looking at. So when you're looking for a visual flowchart to really understand the root cause analysis and trace metrics and find a starting place for any investigations, the Performance Analyzer is a great tool to really visualize what that looks like, then isolate the areas that are responsible for those changes to metrics in your account.